are opening up 2023 Topps Stadium Club. There's 16 packs, 8 cards per pack. This just came out Wednesday, and it looks like we are guaranteed 2 autograph cards in every box. You ready to get into this?
Yes, hopefully we get something good.
A good autograph or something, right?
Decent.
Stadium Club's usually one of my favorites. Oh, and we have a box topper.
Brett Baty from the Mets.
You can't go wrong with that, right?
Yeah, he's decent. Nice
jumbo card. That's cool. And who's this on the cover here?
Ronald Cunha.
Cool. So, we'll just get right into it. What do you say?
Yes.
And I think you get one chrome parallel card in the box, too.
One insert or a parallel card per pack.
Oh, per pack. Okay.
So it says on the side here.
So,
it's insert or...
Tony Gwynn. Hit the... Beatty.
Edward Cooper.
Dale Murphy. This is red, so that's...
It's probably
the special card there. And JT. Viamoto, right? All right. You're going to move these to the side here. Get them out of the way. Blake Snell. Cal Ripken Jr., Bernie Williams.
Satchel Paige.
Yeah. Cool card, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Pete Alonso. I like the photography on these.
Yeah,
pretty sharp. Who's going to sign Blake Snell? I can't believe he's still out there.
I don't know either.
I think the problem is he wants too much money. Oh, this is special. Orange. See it there?
He played for the Yankees. Or he got traded.
Yeah, it's numbered to 199.
Devers.
Oh, that's a cool Devers card. Ted Williams.
Trey Turner.
He'll probably get traded at some point.
Actually, I'm not sure if anymore.
Oh, maybe Corbin Burns.
These guys are always rumored to get traded, but they never do. They want too much.
Oh, always the case. Justin Verlander. Josh Bell. Oh, Mike Trout.
Jimenez.
So that's one column done.
Got 2 autographs out there.
Piazza.
Spencer Strider's good.
Oh, we got our first autograph.
Dwayne Madras. I don't know who that is. It's in the Astros, though.
Yep. Just a
I'll be honest, I never heard of him. I'm surprised I never heard of him.
Yeah.
He's probably up and down.
So let's hope the autograph, the other autograph we get's
good.
Better than that. Keep that there. You know what I mean?
There's a lot of good Astro players.
It's a rookie card at least, but still. Nolan Ryan. Oh, and it's red.
And he's blowing bubblegum.
Yep. Those are not numbered. Joe Musgrave. Oh.
Just got inducted to the Hall of Fame.
Yes, he did. Chris Sale. Severino, who plays for the Mets. Barry Larkin.
Walking his dog.
That's a little weird, isn't it?
How do you get that picture?
I don't know. So Yoshida. Kirby Puckett. He was a good ball player.
Chris Bryant.
Josh Gibson.
Torres. Eckerson.
They went way back in some of these guys.
Luis Robert.
Edgar Martinez.
Tuve.
Roger. That's Roger Hornsby.
I can't see that.
Oh, got a decent rookie card.
Mike Harris.
McGuire. Tristan Cass.
Cassis, yeah, he's good. Mo.
Mo Rivera.
I think that was his last game.
Willie Stargell.
Look at that hat. Hey, we're done game?
Yeah, that thing was a game hat back in the day. Corbin Burns again.
Jimmy Rollins.
Bo Jackson.
Ooh. Richmond. Ozzie
Smith.
Smith. Kind of like the old guys. Getting the old guys. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I don't mind. Keeps them a little relevant.
At least it's good ones. It's not like random old guys.
Yep.
Oh, that card.
Black and white. Not numbered. Yogi Berra.
What the? Corbin Carroll. Is that Joe Morgan?
Yeah. Well, we got about, what, 5 more packs?
So I got that out of
Paul Goldschmidt. Mookie Betts. Stanton. Hope he plays well this year. Acuna. Willie Mays.
You do have an autograph of this.
Yes, we do. Got a busted a pack open a long time ago. All right. Oh, let's see the autograph. Gonna move it. Yu Darvish. Thurman Munson. Carlos Correa. Pujols. Jeff Bagwell. Ichiro. Kyle Stowers.
He's alright.
Yeah.
Oriole.
Not,
For a second, I thought it was Holiday. I only saw the face. Looks similar for a second.
yeah. No.
I didn't know he plays in MLB though. He's not like
This is a good die cut, Richmond.
Vladdy.
Andre Dawson. Rizzo. Maddox. So what do you think of the autographs? Yeah. Nothing good this time.
Nope.
Rod Carew, Tom Glavine. But the good thing is this is not buying a box of these doesn't break the bank. So you know what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're on our last pack.
Buxton.
Machado. Didn't get no Judge. Griffey.
And
All right, so it's just a kind of a box. But these are the 2 hits.
Kyle Stowers and I don't know how to say that name.
Blake Madriz. So we have more box breaks coming. Give this a like, subscribe to us, and hope to see you soon. Keep on breaking.